Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful creamy chocolate mousse. It's really easy. There's only 3 ingredients and I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which will have the full recipe, step-by-step instructions too, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this lovely chocolate mousse a try and what you think about it. But let's get straight into it and I'll show you how to make it. So into the saucepan we'll pop all the chocolate. It's 100 grams of chocolate going in, and to that we're going to add 1/3 cup of cream. Mine's just pouring cream. I'm in Ireland, so it says fresh Irish cream, just any cream you like. So I've got my stove top on the low heat. I'm just going to keep giving it a stir, keep a close watch on it. Because there's cream there, it becomes nice and liquidy. I don't really have to worry about the chocolate burning. So I'm keeping a really close watch of it, continuously stirring it so it doesn't stick. And it's almost all melted already. So the chocolate's just completely melted. You can see it's beautiful and creamy like a ganache. And so I'm going to now set it aside and we're going to see to the eggs while this just cools down a bit. So now I'm going to get on and separate my eggs. I'm going to pop the whites into this bowl over here and the yolks into this little mug over here, which I'll then add to the chocolate one at a time once it's all cooled down. So separate your eggs anyhow you normally do. I'm going to do all 3 of them. So we pop the white into the bowl. I've done my first egg. This is the second one here. Just careful not to get any egg yolk into it. If you do, the trick is to use eggshell and just scoop out any yolk which happens to drop in. So I've separated out my yolk and my white. I've got a bowl here with my 3 egg whites. I've got a little mug here with the 3 egg yolks, which we'll pour into the chocolate in a little bit. But first we'll see to our whites and whip them up until they're lovely and fluffy. So I'm just going to use an electric beater and whisk until it's smooth. There you go. Look at that beautiful thickened whites, and now we'll whisk the yolks into the chocolate. So what I like to do is just to get the whites out and aside. I'll just get all the white of that, and we'll get the chocolate back. So we'll just whisk in the yolks one at a time. There you go, look how beautiful and glossy and chocolatey that is. And now we'll just fold the whites in. So just move the egg whites into the bowl and we'll just fold it through. And this is probably my favorite part. It is so beautiful watching the chocolate mousse come together. It's kind of like therapy. Just fold it over on itself. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, that's beautiful. Look how creamy that chocolate mousse is. And you can serve it in one individual bowl. I'm going to move it into little individual portions. So I'm using 4 little ramekins, so we've each got our own individual portion, and I'll just pour out the chocolate mousse evenly into each of them. So I've shared the chocolate mousse out evenly, and I'll just kind of go and smooth them all out with a spoon, just get them nice and smooth, and then it'll just go into the fridge for a few hours to sit. Oh, just look at that. You kind of have to resist having it for now. We'll pop it into the fridge for a few hours and I will show you once they are thickened up and set. The chocolate mousse is out of the fridge and they've thickened up beautifully. You can see if I pop a spoon into it, oh, beautiful chocolate mousse, thick, creamy, just absolute perfection. But that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this lovely chocolate mousse a try, and remember to check down below for the link to the blog post, which will have the full recipe and step-by-step instructions too. So thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again soon. Bye.